name is Jordi Casas. I'm the worldwide product manager for the L26500 here and the L28500 there that I'm going to explain you. The first thing that you need to know is that this is HP latex technology. Let me explain the basics of the technology. So, latex technology, we have the benefits of the water-based ink and the benefits of the solvent ink. The benefits of the water-based ink is that we can print with no odor, so the ink vehicle is water, so we evaporate water, we do not evaporate solvents, so we don't have odor, okay? The benefits of solvent is that we have outdoor durability, okay? So we obtain with a water-based ink outdoor durability with latex. That's the key thing. How it works, let me explain you how it works. We apply heat, we melt the latex and we encapsulate the pigment. In that way, we obtain outdoor durability with a water-based ink, okay? So, things you should know. You can print on the same traditional materials as solvent materials, okay? So let's go there and see some of these materials. Okay, as I was saying, so here you have the traditional signage material. This is self-adhesive vinyl, traditional material. Here you have banners, PVC banners, traditional banners, okay, that you typically print with EcoSolvent printers. So you can do the same things that you do with your EcoSolvent printer, but in addition to that, you can do more things. Let me show you what else you can do. Okay, so here you can see one of the media families that we can do that EcoSolvent cannot do compared to latex, okay? So here you have all the textiles. Here you can see a wide variety of textiles that you can use in order to replace typically PVC applications, okay? In addition to that, if we go this way, you can see the wide variety of wallpapers, paper-based materials that you use for decoration. So these two options increase your offering to your customers. The main message is that with one investment, you have new revenue streams and new profit streams, okay? One investment, more things, more business for you. In addition to the versatility and the new revenue streams that you have, latex technology also helps in your day-to-day operations, okay? So the first thing is that we are forcing the drying process within the printer. We're applying heat, we're evaporating the water, and we are melting the latex. The prints come out immediately dry, okay? So you don't need to wait if you want to laminate, if you want to handle the material, okay? So no waiting time. In addition to that, we have user replaceable printheads, okay? With these printheads, no downtimes. You don't need to call to do a service call in order to replace the printhead. You do not need to stop the production, okay? And finally, as it's a water-based ink, we're evaporating water, so no odors. It will improve your working environment. So what's new on the L26? So till now I've been talking about the basics of the technology. What's new with the L26500? Let me show you new things that we have. As I have mentioned before, textiles is a very important media family for us. It's a differentiator for you. It's a new offering that you can offer to your customers, so it's very important for us. In order to improve the textiles performance, we have done several improvements in this printer. The first one, new inks. With the new inks, the new HP 792 inks, we have improved the water resistance when you do outdoor applications with textiles. In addition to that, in all the media families, we have improved the black density and we have improved the glossiness, okay? From the hardware point of view, we have done several improvements in order to manage properly the textile. Let me comment a few of them. The first improvement that we have is the front tension bar. Here you can see the front tension bar. You need front tension in order to ensure that the printing area is completely flat and you have the material ready to have high image quality. The second improvement that we have is this edge holder. Okay, with this edge holder we make sure that the edge of the materials are completely flat and the carriage moves safely. And finally, the third one, we have this media loading accessory, okay? With textiles, sometimes the material is not rigid enough and we have problems to load the material. So with this, we put the material here, we fix it, and then we use it to fit the material. Then we remove the accessory and you have loaded the material without any problem. Good. In addition to that, here at Drupa, we're introducing this platen cover accessory. This platen cover accessory is a protection that we will use to protect the printing area that allows us to print porous materials. Okay, so we are adding more materials, we are incrementing the versatility. Another new feature that we have with the L26500 and the L28500 is that you can print double-side applications more efficiently. Let me explain how it works. We have a camera inside the printing area. Okay, we tell the printer that we want to print double-sided. We start printing side A. The printer prints a registration mark. We finish the print, and then we load again the material. When we load again the material and we are printing side B, the camera reads the registration mark and makes sure that the image on the side B is completely aligned with the image on the side A. So here you have an example of this type of application. So now I'm going to talk about the L28500. Basically, you have the same benefits that we have explained with the L26 and the same latex basic benefits. Okay, the big differences here are the first one, very obvious, the size, so 104 inches. And the second one is that the printer is faster, up to 70% faster compared to the L26. So the main reason why it's faster is because the printhead carriage is moving faster, okay, and we have more capacity to dry and cure ink, okay, basically because this printer is three-phase.